guys, thank you for tuning in. So this is episode 2 of Makeup for the Beginners, and we're going to be talking about primer. Yes. So there are many different types of primers. I'm sure when you walk into the shop you're like, what do I need to buy? So different products cater for different skin types, and they are, as I mentioned in my previous video, if you have not checked it out, please do check it out. There are 4 types of skin types. So it's your normal skin, there is combination skin, which is what I have. So I have an oily T panel and my cheeks are normal basically. Then there is oily skin and dry skin. Okay, so let me just get some primer. Just to start, I'll show you there are different types of primer. These ones, some of them, there's many different price ranges of products, right? I'm not promoting products today. I just literally want to show you guys what to use for different skin types. So these primers can be used on any skin type. If you do have oily skin, I suggest that you get something oil-free. So there are oil-free types of skin types. So myself, my skin is more dry in winter than in summer. In summer it's quite oily actually, and then in winter it's quite dry. So I have to juggle between. That's why I have so many different types as well. Besides, I love makeup, so I collect them. And no, I did not buy them all at once. With time, gradually each month I try and buy something, and that's how my collection grows. And no, I am not sponsored. So these are all things that I've bought, and these primers, they all work. It can basically work on any skin type, but like I said, if you do have oily skin, I would suggest that you get something oil-free just to make sure it stays on. And then also for oily skin, you get the matte. Please excuse the way this looks, I know it looks quite horrible. You get matte. Wow, this is quite far. There we go. You get matte primers also that will help you keep your foundation on. And then these are my favorite lately. You get shimmer, or what do they call it? Yeah, you get shimmer types of foundation, and there's so many different price ranges as well that can cater for your budget. And these ones give you a more glowy, dewy look. So if that is what you're looking to achieve, then you can look at investing something like that. Also, it can be used for any skin type. There are oil-free ones as well. So if you have oily skin, I suggest that you look for oil-free one. And then also if you have dry skin, in my previous video you would see I give advice in terms of a moisturizer or a serum that you apply before even your primer or your foundation, so that your skin is hydrated. And then you get foundation that contains hydrating properties as well. Even primer, I've got a hydrating primer somewhere as well. Gosh, if I can find it. So this is a hydrating primer. Like I said, I'm not promoting any brands, but this is a hydrating primer, so there are those options as well. But I still suggest, I personally always apply a serum or a moisturizer underneath, like on your clean bare face. Apply something underneath your primer as well, just to protect your skin. Because at the end of the day, I have started a blog, Accentuate Your Natural Beauty, and for me, your skin is still your most beautiful organ. It's the biggest organ in the body, and we need to take care of our skin. Even though I love makeup, skincare is just as important to me. So that is basically my down low on primer. If you do have any questions or comments, please do put that below, and don't forget to subscribe. Love you guys.